All right guys, so we're back on this 06 Buick Rendezvous. So what we got here is a cracked tail light. So we're still on the mission of getting this thing, everything fixed to get it flipped. So I got a used tail light from eBay, about 30 bucks. We're gonna change it out real quick. So first, we're gonna take our Phillips and remove these two screws. All right, with those two screws loose, we're just gonna grab the tail light and pull straight out. So you see it's just got the little clips that's holding it. So now we're gonna go ahead and just take these bulbs out. They're pretty simple. We're just gonna turn and hopefully turn. Oh, if I push the lock down, and it's out. I'm gonna get the vacuum cleaner, vacuum that up, clean it up a little bit, and go unbox the new used tail light. Here it is. As you can see, it's not cracked, just little scratches here and there, but nothing bad. The guy included the harness, so I am just going to unplug it on and plug this one in. So of course we're just going to slide it in and then bolt it back up, and we'll test and see if it works. No more broken tail light, fit in good, bolts right in, everything worked. So easy change, easy fix if you got a busted light. Of course, it's gonna be the same for both sides. So guys, please subscribe, like, tag, share, follow, everything. Mustang Jackson 67 on Instagram. But until the next fix, let's keep building.